Unlock the sounds of English. Master phonetic reading. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into an essential skill for mastering English pronunciation, phonetic reading. This method is not just about reading words. It's about understanding how each letter and combination of letters represent specific sounds. Ready to unlock the sounds of English? Let's begin. Phonetic reading is all about decoding written words into spoken sounds. Unlike regular reading, where you recognize a word as a whole, phonetic reading requires you to break down each word into individual sounds or phonemes. This skill is incredibly useful for language learners, as it helps in accurately pronouncing unfamiliar words. Every word in English is made up of small sound units called phonemes. For instance, the word cat consists of 3 phonemes, K, A, and T. Learning how to identify and pronounce these phonemes is the cornerstone of phonetic reading. Remember, some letters or combinations can produce different sounds, so context and practice are key. While phonetic reading might seem daunting at first, numerous tools can help. Phonetic alphabets, like the International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA, provide a visual representation of how words sound. Additionally, many dictionaries offer phonetic spellings, and there are plenty of online resources and apps designed to enhance your phonetic reading skills. Practice is crucial for mastering phonetic reading. Start with simple words, breaking them down into individual phonemes and sounding them out loud. Gradually move to more complex words and sentences. Listen to native speakers and try mimicking their pronunciation. Remember, consistency and patience are your best friends on this journey. Phonetic reading is a powerful tool in your English learning arsenal, helping you speak more naturally and understand the subtleties of pronunciation. It might take some practice, but the results are incredibly rewarding. Keep practicing, and soon, the sounds of English will be at your command. Happy learning, and see you in our next session.